Hello students. So today we will see trick to solve problem on average speed. So as you all know, average speed is total distance divided by total time taken. Now in this I am taking three special cases. In the first case, body is moving from A to C in two equal time intervals with the speed v1 and v2. Here time interval is same. Then average speed is given by v1 plus v2 by 2. In second case, body is moving from A to C in two equal distances. Means it is covering A to B in x distance, B to C is x distance. Means distance covered is same. But speed are different. From A to B speed is v1. From B to C speed is v2. Then average speed is given by 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. In second case, you may have problem in this form, that is body is moving from A to B and coming back again from B to A. But while going speed is v1, while coming speed is v2. In both cases distance covered is same. So average speed is given by this formula, that is 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. In the third case, total distance is divided into three equal parts. That is, it moves A to B, distance is x, B to C, distance is x, C to D, distance is x. A to B speed is v1, B to C speed is v2, C to D speed is v3. Then average speed from A to D is given by 3v1 v2 v3 divided by v1 into v2 plus v2 into v3 plus v3 into v1. So using these shortcuts, you can easily solve the problems. So if I take first one, a car moves from A to B with speed of 30 km per hour and from B to A with speed of 20 km per hour. The average speed of a car is, options he has given, 25 km per hour, 24, 50, 10. Now if you see here, it is nothing but our second case, that is body is moving from A to B with the speed of, so I will take it as A, it is moving to B. So A to B speed is 30 km per hour. So this I will take it as V1. From B to A with speed of 20 km per hour. So B to A is coming at 20 km per hour. I will take this as V2. Then you are required to find average speed. So it is a second case, that is A to B and B to C. So average speed will be 2v1 into v2, that is 30 into 20 divided by 30 plus 20, that is 50. So 1 0 gets cancelled. So if you simplify, 30 into 2 60, 60 into 2 120 divided by 5. So 120 divided by 5, if you divide 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are, so you will have 24 km per hour. Therefore answer is B, that is our answer is B, 24 kilometers per hour. Similarly, if I take next problem, so second, if I take a car travels the distance with constant speed of 40 kilometers per hour, that is half the distance, he says, half the distance, and remaining half with constant speed of 60 km per hour. Then again you are required to find average speed. Options 40, 45, 48, 50. So again if you are observe half the distance, he says, means again it is the second case, that is A to B, B to C. So second, if I take A to B, B to C. So A, B is midpoint, C. So distance is same. So first half 40 kilometers per hour, second half is moving with 60 kilometers per hour. Then again average speed is given by V is equal to 2 into 40 into 60 divided by 40 plus 60 is 100. So zeros get cancelled. So if you multiply 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48 kilometer per hour. So our answer is C. So answer is C. Clear, student? Similarly, if I take third, a car moves a distance of 200 meters. It covers first half. Again he says first half of distance with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. And second half with speed V. Means again it is same case. So A to B, B to C. First half he covers with 60 kilometers per hour. Remaining half is going with speed V. Average speed he has given. Here he has given average speed is 40 kilometers per hour. Means he has given V average 40 kilometers per hour. You are required to find value of V. So options 30, 20, 60, 40. So again here A to B first half means this distance is equal to this distance. So again it is second case. So again if you apply this formula, you will be having, that is average velocity 40 is equal to 2 V1 into V2, 60 into V divided by 60 plus V. If you simplify, you will have the answer. So this 0 gets cancelled. So 2 2s are 4, again 2 3s are. So you will have, if I take this to the LHS, 60 plus V is equal to 3V. So V if I take to RHS, you will have 60 is equal to 2V. Therefore V is equal to 30 kilometers per hour. So answer is 30 kilometers per hour, that is A. Answer is A. Clear, students? So next problem if I take. Fourth one. A car moving along a straight line covers half the distance. Again he has told half the distance with speed of 2 meters per second. And remaining half. So first half he moves with 2 meters per second. So if I take A, B, C. So first half he moves with a speed of 2 meters per second. So V1 is 2 meter per second. The remaining half is covered in 2 equal intervals, he says. Remaining half. So 2 equal intervals means from here B to D time taken is T, D to C time taken is T. With speed of 3 meters per second, here it is 3 meters per second, here it is 5 meters per second. You are required to find the average speed for entire journey, that is from A to C. Entire journey A to C. So if you take options. Now in this case, first you are required to solve this, that is from B to C. So if you take B to C, here intervals are same, time interval is same. Means first case, if body covers distance in 2 equal time intervals, then average speed is V1 plus V2 by 2. So for B to C, average speed will be 3 plus 5 by 2. That is 8 by 2 will be 4 meters per second. Means now this I can draw it as A, B, C. So A to B speed is 2 meters per second. From B to C speed is 4 meters per second. So distances are same, because here he says half the distance, then remaining half. So this distance and this distance is equal. So again it is of second case. So I can write average speed is equal to V average is equal to 2 V1 into V2, 2 into 4 divided by V1 plus V2, 2 plus 4 is 6. So if I simplify, 2 3s are, so you'll have 8 divided by 3, units is meter per second. So answer is B. Answer is B. Clear, students? So if you like this video, you just share with your friends, ask them to subscribe, and again in future I will be bringing such videos on tricks to solve the problems which will be helpful for your CET, NEET, JEE. Thank you, students.